fishing. So this is actually day 2 of this video. Day 1 was actually last week. I throw basically a robo worm, get quite a few bass, then a storm hit. And then ever since then it has been raining every single day. But today I went out with my son. Let's see, there he is. And he wore them out today. He caught a whole bunch on a topwater whopper plopper. And I used a jitterbug 2.0 and a frog. And I've missed a lot and nothing touched the jitterbug. But I wasn't throwing it very good either. I don't think I had it set up properly. I was trying to use it on a bait caster and that didn't really work too well for me. But anyway, it has been rough fishing conditions. All of our water here in East Tennessee, the Tennessee River, the Hiwassee River, is pretty much flooded. It has rained every single day that I've been out here fishing. So today was the first day I got to get out and fish again and finish this video out. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for coming along with me. Let's go fishing. All right, we are ready for takeoff. That'll be all right. We'll get it next time. Got him. Come on, don't come out of the water. All right, there we go. Woo! All right. All right. Kind of got that out a little weird. There's no fish. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you, fish. Let's put you back in the water. Throw in that grass again. I don't know if that would hold 2 of them or not, but we'll find out. My pole messed up. I gotta get another pole. I just got one for Christmas and it tore up. I got this old janky pole. I've had this for probably, I don't know, years. It's still going though. This is pretty much what I've been using today. 8-inch green pumpkin purple robo worm. And it's got salt in it and I love these things. These things look amazing underwater. And I've got it just Texas rigged. Oh, there's one sitting right there. Had some movement, looks like almost to the left and the right of when I threw it in there. So there's definitely bass in there. Let's throw in there again. Let's harass them for just a little bit and maybe one will hit. Because they in there. We just spooked them. Got him. No, don't jump, don't jump. Nice, nice, nice. I knew there was one in there, so I just kept throwing back in there because I seen him move. Boy, he's dark. Nice little bass. Second dink of the day. Alright, let's let him go. All right. Boy, that bass is nice and healthy. Look at him. All right. I had missed a fish in here last week, so I figured I'm gonna throw it back in that pocket again, and I got him. Let's see. There he goes. Alright, I'm not 100% sure if I got this bass recorded when I was pulling him in, but there he is. That's like my second cast of the day. There he goes. Alright, I hope I recorded that. Not sure if that recorded or not. I think it's funny, people come in here with their boats and just take off somewhere else and they come back. I've talked to several and they're like, well, I didn't catch anything. And I'm like, well, you ain't got to go far. They're right here. I don't know where the heck they're going, but they're right here. I know you get in a boat, you just want to go, but they're all in here. It's all lightning. Well, it's time to go. It's up there at Spring City again, but it's close enough. 5 fish. Can't complain. Fish. Does it look like it's been on the bed? Huh?
I don't know. Are you ready?
Yep. Good job, Preston. Oh, that's a good one. Easy, 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 easy. Oh, that's a good one, Preston. That's over 2 pounds. That might be 3 pounder right there. Yeah.
That's easy.
I think I'm gonna guess 3.5, but we're gonna have to measure.
You didn't fight harder than that.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, sometimes those little ones are freaking scratch. Get my. There you go. Perfect. What does he weigh? Oh man, he's almost 3 pounds. 2 pounds, 12 ounces. All right. Nice fish. Nice fish. Heck yeah.
Hey, buddy.
I sit there and watched him follow the dang thing. Yeah, you go back in. Okay, see where that dead tree is falling down? He's sitting basically at the foot of that. Okay, you see where the grass is literally coming out? He was sitting at the point of that grass right there. Huh?
Right under the tree?
Yeah.
Oh, God, yeah, right here.
Yep. Exactly where I told you he was going to be though, right?